Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we've got something really interesting. This is from KanceptEDC. It is the Stiletto. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. A shout out to Kancept for sending this to me. They, I believe, have set up a new division, an EDC division, because they're known for producing high quality knives, but they have now got a collection of EDC items. They've got a separate website for it. I'll link it in the description and you can check it out. I have two of the items and I'm reviewing one of them today. This is the Stiletto. That's right, very interesting product. It's designed by Marco Pannella out of Italy. And this is the packaging. This gives you an idea of how it looks like. Now, when I first opened this, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. There is this necklace. So it's kind of a necklace chain that you can wear. And then you have this. Now, definitely very EDC-ish, if that makes any sense. It just looks like a very cool looking item. I was wondering what the gadget is about because I didn't read about it first, and then I looked around. Okay, I saw all the machining. This is titanium, at least for the housing, so that's really nice. And then you can unscrew it. And then when I unscrewed it, I looked inside and I saw that. You see that? Looks like a point. And then I was figuring out how to open it. Then I saw the bottom. I matched it. I figured it must be a key, so I used that to unscrew it. And sure enough, this unscrews and you get this. This screws back here, and I believe you can screw this back here. Yep. And now you have yourself an ice pick. That's right. This is an EDC ice pick because we always need to carry an ice pick. You never know when you might need to chip at ice. So this is what it is. It is, okay, really very cool. Even though I can't imagine how EDC and ice pick, it is very cool in terms of the design, just how it comes together, and then that is really pretty lethal. Now, very interesting item here. I think it's one of the most interesting EDC items I've ever reviewed. But let's talk about some of the specifications first. So the overall length is 7.25 inches. The length of this spike is 3.28 inches. The handle length is 3.98 inches. As mentioned, this housing is all titanium and it's a satin finish. So I chose the plain satin version. You can get them in various colors. Check out the link in the description because you can see all of them there. The spike itself is made from 5CR13. Now that is a budget steel. It is, I would say, very moderate in terms of its toughness and edge retention, although you don't need edge retention, but you do want that spike to retain its point. Now, for just ice picking and light use, absolutely no problem. This 5CR13 will hold up. A lot of multi-tools are made from that material. If you intend to use it for other things, hard use, I have no idea what you might use it for, then I'm not sure how well that tip would hold up. For what it's designed for, which obviously is a murder death weapon, I think this would work pretty well. So in terms of just the feel and the finish, it's top-notch. Design, as I said, also really good. I think I really do like the way this comes apart. And I don't really think this is designed as a weapon because look at the deployment. It's going to take you a good couple of seconds to get that out, and I think by the time you get it ready as a weapon to deploy, you probably won't need it anymore. But as an ice pick, I think it's very cool. Not something I'll EDC, but definitely something I would keep at my bar counter at home. This would definitely be a conversation piece. And yes, I would need actually an ice pick because when we have gatherings and parties, we would get blocks of ice or we get bags of ice, and sometimes they'll freeze up and then they get stuck together and you need to break and chip at them. So you do need an ice pick. So this will actually come in very handy, and I think it's really perfect for my needs. would fit my kind of my decor and just kind of my own style. People expect weird stuff from me, so this would fit perfectly. Now you would have to be careful, it is very sharp, so if you have it out in the open like that, you definitely need to be careful. Make sure no kids are around, definitely, and you have to be careful yourself because that is a very sharp point. Other than that, I think this is a very unique item. It is, well, as they market it, an EDC item. You can check it out, but if you're looking for something special or even a gift for someone, right, and if you're looking for something beyond a standard folding knife, this might actually be quite unique and special just because of how well it's made, and definitely it is a novelty item in my book. But let me know what you think of this EDC ice pick. Is it an ice pick or is it a weapon? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.